Hey everyone, in today's video I'll show you how to follow and unfollow hashtags on Instagram. Keeping up with your favorite hashtag has been made easier by Instagram, allowing users to follow them. Hashtag is a label used on social media apps to relate Instagram posts to a certain topic. To begin, open up Instagram on your mobile device. I'm doing this on my Samsung Note 10 Plus, but it'll work the same on an iPhone. Then tap on the search icon at the bottom menu. Tap the search bar at the top and then type in the hashtag you like to follow. As the search results appear, you'll notice the hash symbol next to the result, which shows that is a hashtag. Or you can tap on the Tags tab at the top to show only hashtags. Once you find your hashtag, tap on it. Once the hashtag page loads up, at the top of the page you'll see Follow button. Tap on Follow button to start seeing posts related to that hashtag on your Instagram feed. And that is how to follow Instagram hashtag. To check what Instagram hashtag you're following, you need to go to your profile and then tap on Following at the top right. Then tap on the hashtag in the middle of the screen. This will show you all the hashtags you're following. To unfollow the hashtags you're following, you need to tap on the hashtag and then tap on Following. This will give you a prompt where you need to tap on Unfollow. And that is how to follow and unfollow Instagram hashtags. Hope you found this useful. If you did, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more social media and tech tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.